I'm now going to show you how to extract alignments. The purpose of extracting alignments is to find a best fit theoretical alignment on the road. This will then populate the edit alignment spreadsheet, the vertical alignment spreadsheet, as well as the edge levels spreadsheet. That will be the cross sections at each interval, as well as the widths at each interval. This will be in a spreadsheet form, and it will also be able to edit the long section curvature. The application of this is really if the alignment is going to change, if there's a rip and recompact of the carriageways, then it's best to use this method where you have control of editing the roadway. I'm going to go and to alignment, regression, extract alignments, and I'm going to choose to select all of these. The horizontal, the vertical, the super elevations, as well as the edges from CAD. But I'm not going to take it right now. I just want to discuss the super elevations. At each interval, it'll need to get a sample for the super elevation. So here you can see we're currently looking 1 meter from the center and 3 meters from the center to find what is the crossfall at that location. So that's not going to work. I'll cancel that and I'll quickly go to CAD mode, tools, measure, and then use the measuring tools. You don't have to be too accurate because the accuracy will come with the measuring from the one place to the other. So I'm going to go from about here and to the middle of this carriageway. We'll just extend that up a bit more. So that is 6.2. And I'll measure from here to about here. And that's 10.5. So we'll go from here to here just to double check. That's 7. And that's 11. Okay, so we can then go back to our roads mode. I'm going to go to File, select Road File, start a new road. I'll call this Road by Extract Alignments. And say OK. So that is not the active road. If you want to, you can switch off the previous road. And we can then go and run the extraction. So we would like to do all of these, and we picked up earlier that this was minus 10.5 and minus 6.5. This side we had 7 in positive values, and I think it was 11.2. So it doesn't have to be too accurate, it's just a sample at each location just to find out what was the grade at that location. So it'll take a sample there and then work out the crossfalls for each interval. We'll extract the CAD. It'll ask us for the road center line, so we'll select this one. And we'll choose our intervals. I'm going to do 10 on the straights and 5 on the curves. We can then take samples every 20 meters on the left. Maybe we should do 30 meters on the left and the right. We'll get the data from surface 1 and we'll store that in road layer 1. It'll ask us if we want to extract the pivot points. I say yes. I'll get the left edge, a left pivot. And I'll right-click extract. I'll then do the right pivot. I'll then do the left edge. I'll do the right edge. I'll do the left median. I'll do the right median. Still generating the edge levels. Here you can see it's then created these alignments along the route. To the end, just takes in the lane widths and widenings.